Hannah gifted me her gift for the farm, the goat for the farm. They are very not happy. Two female goats and 2 kids.
Okay.
Aww.
You can bring the kids, right?
So,
This one is pregnant.
oh, she is?
Yeah.
You're pregnant. Can we move her here and then the babies will sit here? I feel like she'll fall. Don't fight her. I know you don't like her. You're going to your new home. They will miss you.
It's been getting there.
She said one is pregnant.
Oh, she
The white one.
This one is pregnant.
I can see it, yeah.
It's even getting there.
How can she be pregnant? There's no male goat.
I think probably before they stole it. Was it long ago?
It's not that too long.
3 weeks, 4 weeks.
Oh, yeah, yeah. So
No,
she was pregnant
it's-
before.
A month now.
Months.
Yes.
Yeah, so
So how
she
long
must
did
have been
this-
pregnant.
How do you know she's pregnant? You feel the baby? You are feeling the
Are
baby?
you not feeling it?
No, not if I don't feel anything.
This one is pregnant.
See how she is lying down. The babies are coming, don't worry. See, that one doesn't care about the baby. She's lying down. She's even closing her eyes.
Oh, got me relax. What's gonna happen? I'm gonna be in somebody's pepper soup. No, not pepper soup. Maybe Christmas. We'll kill one.
Right?
Yeah. I won't tell you which one I killed.
Exactly. Once they are not in this compound, I'm good. It's when they are in this compound that it's very difficult because they keep naming the goats.
Oh, so what's her name?
I don't even
The
know.
white one. Okay.
Okay.
The white one is the gray
Okay,
one.
this one is, I believe this one is Lisa.
Lisa. Hi, Lisa.
And then
Lisa is pregnant.
Naming food.
these were their names. Like the moment we got them, we named them. This one is Lisa.
Lisa.
They named this.
And the
Yeah,
brown
Flash.
one.
There's Asher and Dasher. Those ones were long gone.
And the brown one is who?
The brown one, I think her name was Lana or something.
Lana. Oh, I had a
We
mom.
named them after the Loud House kids.
Oh, Lisa and Lana, the L crew. Oh, he's even bringing food.
See, as he carried the babies.
Oh, and these are the 2 kids. These are the 2 kids.
Mr. Eko, you tie both their hands together.
Yeah, they're here. You want to eat? Oh, don't die, okay?
Some of
The way
I
her
heard they
neck
said
is.
They eat plastic.
Okay.
Sometimes,
They die.
that's what has been happening. See how she put them.
Sorry, guys. Thank you, Hannah.
Oh, no problem.
Hopefully they will multiply.
Yeah, I believe they will do well at your farm than here.
Thank
They
you.
can be naming the goats. Naming the goats.
Lisa and Laura. I guess these ones don't have names
Oh,
yet.
yeah, they had to stop us.
Amy Yanko no dachem. Hannah.
Oh, what is he doing?
Nti yanhwa no win no one. No, baby, we are. So yeah, my friend had about 25 goats at a point, right? But they keep dying, or the neighborhood they keep stealing it. So the last male was stolen about 3 weeks ago, and she's like, "Oh, that's it. You can have my goats. I'm not dealing with it." So here I am on the farm with the new goats. So exciting! Oh, okay.
He's even trying.
You want to see the turkey?
Yes.
No, show her the
Sorry.
turkey.
But I knew you were
Oma
about
to
to.
be a kawan.
Want to see the turkey?
Lorna is a white one.
Let's name these ones.
Here, don't go. Here, open this.
Don't tell me you saw the edit too. He said we should name the edit.
You have to untie the thing. Oba.
Dare or dare.
Mba. The goat Hannah gave us as the one kid. And the other kid is there. And my male goat is chasing the white one around. I thought she was pregnant. She looks pregnant. but he's still chasing her. Noah, leave her. Leave him. That's what he does. He's a goat. So when somebody calls you a goat, I thought she was pregnant, but maybe not. So that's one of them. I think Lorna and Lisa. I think Lisa is the brown one. Lorna is the white one. And then the two kids. Michaela, Michelle, and them. So that's Lisa. Lisa. And Lorna is just busy being chased around all day by our male goat. But I thought she was pregnant, so maybe she's not. Because what I've noticed is when the goats are pregnant, the male goat doesn't chase them around. But I don't know if that's because he was not responsible for this pregnancy. That's why he's chasing her around. I'm not sure. But tell me, what are the mannerisms of goats? Because she looks pregnant, and I was told she was pregnant. She just gave birth, but look at her. She always looks pregnant. Always. So you don't even know when she's pregnant and when she's not.
I think I got in the
Where are your kids?
wrong place because
I don't see them.
outside.
Lisa and the kids are here. So yes, thank you, Hannah, for these beautiful goats. We've had it for like almost 2 weeks. So today is Saturday. I just actually left the farm and I took this video today, okay? And then one of the kids there, the brown one, is dead. The one in the middle there. Noel picked it up. It was okay. We left the farm and then they called me and said that she was crying and they picked her up and she died. So I don't know what happened, if a snake bit it or whatever. The brown one, this one here, is dead. So I'm very sad. But Hannah, thank you. I still have 3. I have Lorna, Lisa, and the 2 kids. The brown one, the darker color, is dead. Oh, I hate it when animals die, okay? Well, anyways, thank you guys and smile. Bye.